The ENDSWITH string function takes three arguments: the suffix, the start index, and the end index. So the suffix is a substring that you want to find in the given string that it ends with or not. The ENDSWITH function returns a true or false if the string ends with the suffix specified in the string provided as a whole. The optional start index and end index specifies the indices start and the end of the suffix to be considered to check the string ends with. The start index and the end index parameters are optional, like the count function. So if we take an example, say we take a string woman and apply the ENDSWITH function and check for men and execute it, it returns a true. So similarly, if we create a new cell and again use the woman string and type in ENDSWITH man and execute it, it returns a false. We take another cell and use the same string woman and apply the function ENDSWITH and use the suffix as men and give the string index as 4 and execute, and it returns false because if you check 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, so 4 is at the end of the string. If we give a start index of 2 and execute it, it returns a true. So this is how the start index and the end index work in ENDSWITH function. Thanks all for watching this video till the end. I hope you are getting the understanding by watching my videos. If you have any questions or you are facing any issues, please do post in the comment section and I will try my best to reply the same. If you are liking my video, please do not forget to give me a big thumbs up, and also do not forget to subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon so that you get a notification when I post my next video. Thank you all again. Stay healthy and safe.